Guys, that is much better. Look here at the room I got now. Look at this. Much more room. I can stretch my legs out in here. And I'm 6 foot, 175 pounds. Well, maybe a little more than 175, but not much. Guys, I gotta tell you, I love my little XJ here. I do. I really like my little XJ. But I have a problem. Here's my problem. Right here. I have a problem pushing back from the table too much. So, to get a little bit of comfort out of this thing, I ordered a... Here's the Hemi Express truck I finally got going. Oh yeah, that's a big motor. Big motor. I ordered me a big boy seat bracket, something from Mish 4x4 products. So let me try to set this up here. Well, let's see what we got. Take these glasses off and put my other ones on so I can see. Let's see what we got. I just don't have enough room. The XJ runs good and stuff. It's just, I need a little bit more growing room. Can we call it that? Fits my 2001 Cherokee Limited. That's what it says. Big boy seat brackets, driver or passenger, is what it says. So let's open this and see what it looks like. You want to? Say sure, Marty. Let's do it. Let's do it. You guys ain't scared, are you? There's some bolts and some instructions. We don't want to lose the instructions. Well, this looks pretty simple. Dang, guys, I could have made that. I got flat steel. Idiot. Why didn't I just... But these are nice. They're powder coated. They're all powder coated so they won't rust. See what the instructions say. It looks pretty straightforward. Guys, I think this is going to be pretty easy. Yes, sir. All right. See how hard it can be to move the seat back to give the big boy a little bit more room in his XJ. All right, men and women, boys and girls, I think what I'm going to do is take the brackets loose right here. Because see where that's rusty? And then I'll probably paint these while I have them out. So I can get to those pretty easy. And then it looks like the front ones are right there. But let me do this for a comparison. I don't want to show you how fat I am, but here's the seat all the way back. So you can see here how close I am. So it's just it's really cramped for a big guy in one of these XJs. So this is I can get my hand. So we'll see after I put the big boy bracket on how much more room we got. Alright, well that sure didn't take long. See, I took it out here, guys. I cleaned this up. That was rusty. I'll probably paint that bracket. I need to clean that up a little better. I was struggling with getting that. Sometimes these clips are hard to figure out, and you tear the clips up before you figure out how to get them off. So, alright, that is out. Get old Sticks McGee here. So guys, if any of you Jeep guys never seen any video on this, the Hemi Express wheel stander, check some of that out. That's a 535 cubic inch Hemi right there. Alexa off. See, these things are pretty rusty here, so I will I'll clean them up and paint them. This looks pretty good here. And it looks like you just take these bolts out here. It looks pretty straightforward. Take them out right there. And move it back. Even a dumb hillbilly can do that. Maybe, we'll see. Got a little paint. Got a little paint on my brackets here. They cleaned up fairly good. And let's go over and look. I cleaned up in here in the old XJ. Look here, I just put new brakes on that. Drilled and slotted rotors. Holy cow! Clean this up in here so it's ready to. Guys, this for an old XJ. Look at that floor. Not bad for an old XJ. I think I'll put some anti-seize on these bolts, just so if I got to take it out again. All right, we'll get them brackets bolted on there and see if we got any more room for fat boys. All right, moment of truth. Time for the big reveal here on the big boy seat. I got it back in here. So here you can see here you can see what it is. The only thing that I don't care for, it does a lot more leg room. Watch this. Look at that. But the only thing I don't care for, see this here, how all this is exposed here? But look what I done here. I took a piece of my roll bar padding and cut it. Look at that, guys. Put that right on there just like that. I'll get me a couple little tie wraps and put around that, just to, so that don't look bad at all, does it? I don't think it does. Almost looks like it was made for it. So let's see fat guy model how she does. Oh guys, that is much better. Look here at the room I got now. Look at this, much more room. I can stretch my legs out in here, and I'm 6 foot, 175 pounds. Maybe a little more than 175, but not much. But so anyhow, I guess the brand name on this was what was it? Misch, M-I-S-C-H 4x4 products. So as far as comfort, it seems like it adds a lot. After seeing it, you could make your own, guys, if you had some 3/8 flat steel, but I didn't know what it was when I bought it. So, and I like to promote people's products when I get a chance. I never get free stuff, but maybe they'll see this and send me some stuff, and I'll put one in the passenger seat. Who knows? But I don't know. All in all, I don't think it's too bad. It certainly, yeah, I like that little, like I say, I'll cut a tie wrap, little black tie wraps, and put on that, so it don't leave much leg room in the back seat, but I don't care about that. So I guess all in all, I give it 2 thumbs up. Wait, 2 thumbs up. A lot more leg room, make it a lot more comfortable. So anyhow, guys, that's all I got for this time. Fat boy seat and a little XJ. So thanks for watching. God bless. Have a good day.